We're here at the district in Chesterfield, Missouri, a shopping center that's being newly renovated, and they even just recently got a new music venue, which has some pretty big names coming to it, and the music venue is called The Factory. In our previous videos, we checked out wineries, nightlife, hotels, and more. So make sure to check out those videos after you finish watching this one.
We're at the newly renovated district mall, which used to be old outlet malls in Chesterfield. So as you can kind of tell, they're working on renovating it. Looks a lot nicer than it used to. Lots of empty space still available, but a couple of our favorite stores are inside.
So this is the anime or manga store called Animeggroll. Let's go inside. Let's take a tour around Animeggroll. First we have some novels, books, manga, some shirts. We have Funko Pop and anime, plushies, games, keychains, necklaces, and even more plushies. We have some Lucky Cats. We have a place with just figurines. There's even an area for playing games. And check out the plushie I took home.
Hey guys, so one of the things I realized when we started to put together this video was that we forgot to take pictures or film of the Bike Shop Bakery, which is a great place at the district to go get some coffee or some baked goods. But while we were there, they happened to be having a private function, so we weren't able to get in and take some pictures. So next time you're at the district, make sure you stop at the Bike Shop Cafe and get some coffee.
Also located at the district is the main event.
When you first walk into the main event, there's a lot to take in. This place is ginormous with lots and lots of things to do. So on your right, you'll find a bar. In front of you, you're going to find a concession counter and a place to buy tickets. One of the largest arcades I have ever seen. Its video does not do justice to the size of this arcade. Above the arcade is a ropes course. So you can see it in blue above. There's a place to basically hook in and to climb the ropes course. We didn't see anybody using it while we were there, but it looks like a lot of fun. Additionally, there's bowling. It goes almost wall to wall. There's lots of TVs, so you can watch TV while bowling. Right next to the bowling area is a pizza area so that you can get some pizza while you play. In the back, you got laser tag and your winner's choice room. Rissa's already planning her next birthday party at main event.
Right across the street from the district, on the end closest to the main event, is a Residence Inn. So you can spend the entire weekend here and have a blast. Right next to the hotel is a Top Golf, a great destination for nightlife. Basically having a great time, maybe going out on a date. They have a driving range and a restaurant, bar service. It's a little pricey, but it is a great spot to go out and spend the night.
At the exact opposite end of the district compared to Topgolf, you'll find The Factory. The Factory is the brand new music outlet that is at the district. This new venue looks great. There's a really cool lineup of bands in the future. We can't wait to come back for a concert.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you are notified anytime we put out a video.